Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPRO, GoPro. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement over the past couple of days, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume, and you can see both Friday and then today, Monday, good, well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $5.10. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 510, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 510 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, right now, the key level that stands out to me, especially after today's data, is right here at this resistance trend line, and I'll change this to red to represent resistance. And you can see that as the past couple of days have now all played out, you can see that over time, whenever the price gets right up around that area, it continues to get rejected further and further downwards. So that downwards trend line right there is going to be the initial level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, the next key level would be right up around the $5.50 mark. However, before you talk about, doing battle with 550 or anything like that, in my opinion at least, the first key bridge that needs to be cleared, and crossed is right there at that trend line. And then at that point, yeah, it makes more sense to be talking about doing battle and fighting through the 550 mark. So all in all, though, the price continues upwards. The volume remains above average. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.